welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. In today's video, I am working on a 12-inch round and I have it on my spinner. And if you have been watching any of my recent videos, I have been using my spinner quite a bit. I've been doing some some spin and swipes. They're super fun and super messy, as you can see. I've got some orange all around here. I just, maybe my last video, if I go in order, is this one that I did here. It's super gorgeous. So I figured I would just keep using this paper. I don't use orange so much, but I loved that one, and so I thought I would use it again. I did a little test piece. If I can get it here. It's not quite dry yet. You can see it's still a little wet, but the colors are super pretty, and I, again, wanted to do just a little test piece so I could, check them out, and I was super happy with it. So that's what I'm going to do, but on this bigger canvas. So let's just jump into the colors. I have got, as my base coat, it is DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl, and this is one of my favorite colors to use. I love it. And then I am also going to use another paint from DecoArt. It is the Enchanted Shimmer Magenta. The orange is a mix. It is the Pebeo Acrylics. Ugh, can't talk today. Iridescent Orange Yellow. And then from FolkArt, this one is called Vivid Orange. So I mixed those two together. And then the yellow that I've got is from FolkArt. It's Color Shift. Wow. There we go again. Yellow Flash. So, let me just get my gloves on, and then I'm going to coat the canvas. And while I'm getting my gloves on, all of my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, Golden GAC800, and some water. And no silicone in any of these paints, and the Floetrol is American Floetrol. All right, let me go ahead and get this covered here. All right, guys, so got the canvas covered. And when you're using a spinner like this, it's super easy to cover your canvas. All you gotta do is put some in the middle and spin it. It works out really great. All right, so I am gonna be using, I'm gonna start out with this size of my swipe tool. Probably, maybe, unless I do it perfectly, I may have to use my little one too. But if you're new to my channel, I do have an Etsy shop with a bunch of acrylic pouring tools. And these are in there. They come in a set of 4. They're super handy, reusable. I love them. So you can go check out my Etsy shop link in the description if you'd like. And let's just go ahead and get some of this paint put on the canvas. All right, so if you guys have never done a spin and swipe, it can be a little difficult if you are uncoordinated like me. So when you spin one way, and then you kind of go the opposite way. Because if you go the same way, you're going to scoop out your paint, okay? We're just going to go ahead and give it a go. There we go. And I drug my finger through that accidentally. You can see I kind of have a little bit of orange there. So I think I'm going to just I'm going to leave it. Well, first I'm going to spin it, and then we'll see where we're at. And make sure the puppies are out of the way because they tend to get covered. right, here we go. I'm going to give this a better spin. There we go. Now you can see the paint all flying around. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I gotta be honest, I wasn't sure if I liked this one or not. I kept messing with it, but I finally decided to stop and walk away. And once it dried, I really decided that I think I like it. So I hope you guys like it as well. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment. And don't forget to share this video if you think someone may enjoy it. Alright guys, don't forget also, there's still time to enter my mini blower giveaway with my attachments, so go check out last week's video. And if you're interested in any acrylic pouring tools, go check out acrylicpouringtools.com. And I've got a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in my next one.